The very nature of air combat is changing, faster than at any time since the jet age. For decades, fighter pilots relied on speed, agility, and teamwork. But today, the battlefield is a digital web of sensors, data, and invisible threats. Long-range radars and advanced surface-to-air missiles now dominate the skies, making old tactics deadly. Air superiority is no longer just about fast jets, it's about information dominance. The first to see, the first to shoot, wins. Modern air power means controlling the flow of data, striking from beyond the enemy's reach, and surviving in a battle space saturated with threats. Advanced SAMs create deadly no-go zones, tracking and targeting even the best fighters. Meanwhile, adversaries are fielding their own stealth jets, narrowing the technological gap. The challenge isn't just winning a dogfight, it's surviving long enough to fight at all. Enter fifth-generation warfare, stealth, sensor fusion, and networked operations. These jets are more than machines, they're quarterbacks in the sky, directing the battle with unmatched situational awareness. The goal, see everything, remain unseen, and strike first. In this new era, air superiority is an absolute necessity for any nation seeking to project power. The skies have become a lethal chessboard, where information is the ultimate weapon. The rules have changed forever. The future belongs to those who adapt, innovate, and dominate the invisible battle space. The next generation of air combat is here. The question is, who will master it? The answer begins with America's answer to air dominance. Welcome to the age of the Raptor. The Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor is America's answer to the new air warfare. Born from the Advanced Tactical Fighter program, it was designed to replace the F-15 and sweep the skies clear of threats. The F-22 wasn't just an upgrade, it was a leap into the future. Stealth, speed, and agility were fused into a single, dominant machine. Despite budget cuts and a limited production run, the Raptor's arrival changed everything. It became the U.S. Air Force's silver bullet, the first in, clearing the way for all others. Its presence alone forces adversaries to rethink their strategies. The F-22 is more than a fighter. It's a symbol of American technological might. When it entered service in 2005, it set a new standard: true stealth, extreme performance, and total air dominance. The Raptor's pilots dictate the terms of engagement, striking from the shadows. No other fighter combines its speed, altitude, and invisibility. The F-22 ensures American air superiority, setting a bar few can even hope to reach. It's the king of the sky, undisputed, unmatched. The Raptor's legacy is clear air dominance, redefined for a new era. But what makes the F-22 truly untouchable? It's all about stealth, speed, and sensors. Let's break down the Raptor's secret sauce. This is where the magic happens. The F-22's dominance rests on four pillars: stealth, supercruise, supermaneuverability, and sensor fusion. Its radar-evading shape and special coatings make it nearly invisible to enemy radar. Even the cockpit and engine inlets are designed for stealth. To enemy operators, the Raptor is a ghost, but stealth is just the start. The F-22 can supercruise, fly supersonic without afterburners, covering vast distances fast and ready to fight. Thrust vectoring engines give it jaw-dropping agility, outturning any rival. The real edge? Its brain. The APG-77 radar and advanced sensors fuse data into a single, clear picture. The pilot sees threats, targets, and allies at a glance, hundreds of miles away. This God's eye view means the Raptor can strike before the enemy even knows it's there. Its AMRAAM missiles launch from extreme range, often undetected until it's too late. First look, first shot, first kill, that's the Raptor's mantra. It's a terrifyingly effective combination, but the Raptor's evolution isn't over. To stay ahead, the F-22 is getting a game-changing upgrade: drone wingman. Enter the Collaborative Combat Aircraft, or CCA, autonomous drones controlled by the Raptor. The F-22 becomes a digital quarterback, commanding a team of uncrewed partners. These drones scout ahead, extend the Raptor's sensors, and even carry extra weapons. They can engage targets, act as decoys, or sacrifice themselves to protect the F-22. In 2025, F-22s with CCA drones proved their worth in real-world deployments and exercises. Pilots manage teams of drones, creating a distributed sensor network and overwhelming enemy defenses. The Raptor is now a command and control hub, multiplying its power. One fighter becomes a force multiplier, rewriting the rules of air combat. The future of air warfare is manned-unmanned teaming. The Raptor leads the way. But even the best technology needs the best people. Let's meet the human element behind the machine. The F-22's true power lies in its people. Pilots are elite, trained for years to master the Raptor's systems and tactics. They think in 3 dimensions, process floods of data, and make split-second decisions. Behind them, ground crews work tirelessly to keep the fleet mission-ready. Stealth coatings, advanced avionics, and constant upgrades demand teamwork and trust. In 2025, F-22s and their drone wingmen deterred conflict in the Middle East, without firing a shot. Their presence alone shaped the strategic landscape. This is air dominance, controlling the skies, preventing conflict, and protecting national interests. The Raptor is the product of vision, innovation, and relentless training. As threats evolve, so does the F-22, now a commander of drone swarms, and the ultimate guardian of the high ground. The Raptor remains the apex predator of the skies. The future of air power is here, and America holds the key. The sky belongs to those who master it.